Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your settings in Pinterest to make your experience more personal and convenient. First of all, open the Pinterest app and make sure you're logged into your account. Then, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner to go to your profile. After that, tap on your profile picture at the top left to open the settings. Here, you will see a variety of options to customize your Pinterest experience. You can manage account settings like updating your name, email, or password. You can also adjust privacy settings, for instance, making you both secret or controlling who can see your activity. Now, on the notifications, you can choose which alerts you want to receive, like new followers, comments, or activity on your pins. This helps to keep your feed less cluttered and only shows what matters to you. Another useful option is personalization settings. Simply tap on Refine Your Recommendations. After that, go into Interest. Here, you can manage topics you're interested in so Pinterest shows more relevant pins and ideas to your home feed. Lastly, don't forget to review security settings to enable two-factor authentication. Taking a few minutes to go through these settings can make your Pinterest experience smoother and safer. And that's all. By customizing your account, privacy, notifications, and security settings, you can make Pinterest truly yours.